Hello and welcome back everyone to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on AT&T. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in att.com and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official AT&T website. Now in order to create a new account, click on My AT&T at the top right corner and you will find the sign in button. Click on the sign in button and you will be taken into the login portal. Now within this page, you will be asked to enter your user ID to continue logging in. But if you don't already have an AT&T account, click on Don't have a user ID, create one now. This will then take you into the registration page from which you can sign up for your new account. Now, first of all, choose the kind of service that you have within the AT&T server and then click on Continue. You will then be asked to enter your AT&T phone number. Just type in your phone number that you use, followed by your account number for AT&T. After entering both of these information, enter the zip code for your bill and click on the Continue button. Once you click on this, you will receive a verification code within your phone number that you will need to enter within the next screen. After entering this verification code from your phone, you will be allowed to create your user ID and your password. Just type in the user ID that you wish to use for your account, and after entering your user ID, type in the password that you want to use. After entering your password, just click on the sign up button underneath, and now you will be signed up for your account on AT&T. Once this process is completed, you can simply go back to the AT&T homepage and continue with signing into your brand new account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on AT&T. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.